Trevor Ncube panguva inoi atuya atori nechimoto. Right now Trevor Ncube anyatso kubuda pachena kuti he is the man of the truth and he is disappointed nezviri kuitika the ruling party ZANU-PF, especially panhau the Constitutional Amendment Act which was signed nemutungamiri wenyika. Panguva inei iri kuonekwa kunzi despite the fact that the president panguva inei was seen achitaura achiti he is a constitutionalist and after his term ends he is going to go and rest. But panguva inei what is happening and what Trevor Ncube was forced to apologize. Panguva inoi they did the same thing they were forced to apologize on. Zanapenda macho kwa muda nyuko panguva inei to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timira panguva inei muda nyuko mchinzi. ED has no intention of stepping down. This was Newsday, and Panguva Inoi, Trevor Ncube was forced to retract Panguva Inoi their words, and they went to apologize. Today, Anoya Achuya Achimega posted in July 2024. President Mnangagwa's lawyers, Dube, Manikai, and Wacha, DMH, forced Newsday to apologize for reporting that he had no intentions of stepping down in 2028. We apologized because we are afraid. On 7 July 2026, he signed the law, keeping himself in power until 2030. They forced us to apologize. Then he did exactly what we feared. Don't pashukana mudani kwa Panguva na Trevor Ncube. Panguva ine arrogance kuti zvichitika muZimbabwe. Can you just see the system? We cannot say much, but Panguva ine everyone must away. Everyone anofana kuziva kuti takambo apologize pamusoro pezvinhu izvi. But the same thing we apologized on. Though Panguva ine zviri kungonzi it has been signed into law. After they were forced with fear, panguva ine pakapiwa ma-intimidation threats. Panguva ine zvinonyatsobuda pachena kuti it was better dai vanga vasina kuapologiza. They also even forced to take down their article. Mbodza mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndakuma section medu dzafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, or join on the bell icon.